Hi everybody, Stanley015 here again. I want to talk about facts and opinion and who gets to decide what is a fact and what is an opinion. Really, nobody gets to decide what is a fact and or opinion. Facts are facts, opinions are opinions, and it should be clear to anybody having a discussion as to whether they are discussing facts or opinions. If you're talking about specific items, it is generally facts. So if you're talking about how high something is, how big something is, how heavy something is, what temperature it is outside, that is facts. When I'm talking about exact weights. If you're talking about is something heavy or light, that is relative and that is going to be an opinion. If you're talking about something is cold or hot, that is relative and is an opinion. The two are quite different. And when two people are having a discussion, it should be obvious to both people whether they're talking about fact or opinion. You often get into the debate, particularly with people who support the orange orangutan down south, that they try and counter facts with opinions. They seem to conflate the two. You state a fact, they state an opinion that's contrary, and they say, well, the two are equal. No, they aren't. Facts and opinions are fundamentally different. And we should be able to figure out whether we're talking about facts or opinions, no matter what we're talking about. Both parties should be able to figure it out. If you don't know whether you're talking about a fact or opinion, you need an education. You need to figure it out. It should be quite obvious. There is very, very few examples of a situation where it's not clear whether you're talking about facts or opinion, and they are in the really gray zones. In the previous video, I used the example about chemicals in a glass of water. And if we are talking about chemicals in a glass of water that are present but in such minute quantities that they are undetectable by any known method of detection, then that would be an opinion. And even at that, you would be able to determine whether it is likely that there is, or possible that there is, undetectable amounts of certain chemicals in the water. So that is the kind of thing where it's borderline between fact or opinion. But other than that, other than very clear examples that straddle the border between fact and opinion, everything else should be clear. And if you're having a discussion with somebody and you don't know whether you're talking about facts or opinion, you are probably wrong and they are probably right, because it should be clear. And if it's not clear to you, it means that you're not very knowledgeable on the subject and you should defer to the person who actually knows more. Thank you. Have a good day.